At the end of this lesson, you should be able to discuss the importance of being a responsible netizen by following the rules of common courtesy online and formal rules of the road, cyberspace. Next is to discuss the difference between privacy and security. And lastly, explain various risks of internet privacy.
Netiquette refers to the set of rules and guidelines for polite and appropriate behavior when using the internet and digital communication. It encompasses aspects such as respecting others' privacy, being mindful of your language and tone, avoiding spamming and harassment, and following the rules and norms of specific online communities or platforms. Essentially, netiquette helps to create a positive and respectful online environment for everyone.
Remember the golden rule. The golden rule of the internet is often summarized as treat others online as you would like to be treated offline. This simple principle emphasizes the importance of respect, kindness, and consideration in all online interactions. This golden rule is closely tied to the concept of netiquette, which refers to the etiquette and rules of the behavior for the internet. Netiquette encompasses a wide range of guidelines, but the golden rule serves as a fundamental principle that should guide our online conduct. Here are some examples of how the golden rule applies in practice. First, be respectful. Avoid using offensive language, name-calling, or making personal attacks. Think before you post. Before sharing a comment, status update, or image, consider whether you'd feel comfortable sharing the same thing face-to-face. If not, it's best to avoid posting it. Protect privacy. Don't share someone's personal information without their consent. Don't spam. Avoid sending unsolicited messages or advertisement to people who haven't asked them for. Be mindful of the context. Consider the audience and the purpose of your communication when choosing your words and tone.
The 10 Commandments of Computer Ethics. First, thou shalt not use computer to harm other people. This commandment emphasizes the importance of using computer responsibly and avoiding any actions that could cause physical or emotional harm to others. This includes activities like cyberbullying, spreading misinformation, or creating malicious software. Second, thou shalt not interfere with other people's computer works. This commandment highlights the importance of respecting other people's privacy and space. It prohibits hacking into someone's computer, deleting their files, or disrupting their workflow. Third, thou shalt not snap around in other people's computer files. This commandment extends the previous one by emphasizing the importance of respecting people's privacy and prohibits accessing someone's email, social media, message, or any other personal information without their permission. Fourth, thou shalt not use a computer to steal. This commandment is straightforward, prohibiting the use of computers to engage in any form or theft, including stealing money, credit card information, or confidential files. Thou shalt not use computer to bear false witness. This commandment emphasizes the importance of honesty and integrity in the digital world. It prohibits spreading false information, creating fake news, or engaging in online trolling.
Thou shalt not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid or without permission. This commandment highlights the importance of respecting intellectual property rights. It prohibits using pirated software, downloading copyrighted material illegally, or copying someone's work without their permission. 7. Thou shalt not use other people's computer resources without authorization or proper compensation. This commandment emphasizes the importance of respecting other people's resources and ensuring fair compensation for their use. It prohibits using someone's Wi-Fi without their consent, borrowing their printer without asking, or accessing their computer without permission. 8. Thou shalt not appropriate other people's intellectual output. This commandment emphasizes the importance of giving credit where credit is due. It prohibits plagiarism, copying someone's code without attribution, or claiming ownership of someone else's work. 9. Thou shalt not think about the social consequences of either program you are writing or the system you are designing. This commandment emphasizes the importance of considering the potential impact of technologies on society. It encourages developers to think about the ethical implications of their work and strive to create technology that benefits society. 10. Thou shalt not use a computer in ways that ensure consideration and respect for the humans. This commandment emphasizes the importance of treating others with respect and kindness in the digital world.
Proofreading your messages before sending is an important step to ensure that your communication is clear, accurate, and professional. Here are some reasons why proofreading is important. Number 1 is to avoid errors. Proofreading helps you catch spelling, grammar, and punctuation mistakes that can make your message difficult to understand or convey the wrong meaning. Number 2 is to clarify your message. By reviewing your message before sending, you can ensure that your thoughts are organized and that you are communicating with your intended message clearly. Number 3 is to maintain professionalism. In a professional setting, sending a message with errors can reflect poorly on your attention to detail and professionalism. Proofreading helps you maintain a high level of professionalism in your communication. And lastly, build trust. When you take the time to proofread your message, it shows that you care about the quality of your communication.
And my topic is about avoid screaming in type message and proofread your message before sending. Number 1. To avoid message that seems like screaming, use lowercase letter in your sentence. Capitalize only the first letter of each sentence. The proper nouns and words that need emphasis. For example, why are you doing that? Instead say, what are you doing that? This is amazing! Instead say, this is amazing. Number 2. In addition, observe proper use of punctuation and check for spelling errors to avoid misleading your point. For example, why are you going there without me? Instead say, why are you going there without me? She don't want to go to the party. Instead say, she doesn't want to go to the party.
Respecting diversity and viewpoints means valuing and appreciating the differences among individuals, including cultural and racial, ethnic, and personal backgrounds. It involves acknowledging the unique perspective and experiences that each person brings to a community or workplace. Embracing diversity also means fostering an inclusive environment where everyone feels valued and heard. Practicing respect for diversity requires actively challenging biases and stereotypes. Ultimately, it contributes a richer, more innovative, and harmonious society.
Legal implications of online behavior. While netiquette and computer ethics provide moral guidelines, certain online behaviors can have legal consequences. These include cybercrime. Activities like hacking, phishing, spamming, and online fraud are illegal and can result in serious penalties. Second is copyright infringement. Downloading or sharing copyrighted material without permission is a violation of intellectual property rights. Third is cyberbullying. Harassing or threatening others online can have serious legal repercussions. And lastly is defamation. Making false and damaging statements about someone online can lead to legal action.